few days after the image of the Apple's 20-watt charger was shared, Minchiko told clients that while the picture of the 20-watt charger was legitimate, Apple decided not to put it in the box. In fact, Apple will not include any charging brick at all with the iPhone 12 line. An image obtained from a reliable source by Concept iPhone's Ron Abbey shows a render of the insert that you will supposedly find inside the iPhone 12 box. The insert doesn't have any room for a pair of earbuds or a charging brick. Paperwork and lightning cable will stay there only. Feels bad, right? I told it in my previous episode that the market will follow this Apple's bold move. Yes, you were right. Samsung is reportedly going to do the same. ET News claims Samsung is discussing plan to remove the power adapters from smartphone boxes with its extensive network of suppliers. Samsung still hasn't made the final decision though, but the changes could be implemented as soon as next year. The reason is actually the same as Apple. The answer from Samsung is going to be the same too. So Samsung believes that it has supplied consumer with more than enough chargers over the past decade. Yeah, that's true. Meaning most buyers no longer need a new charger, or shipping them with each new devices only creates more UVs, same as Apple. If Samsung moves forward with these new plans, the first devices to ship without a power adapter in the box may well be the flagship Galaxy S21 or the S30 that is due to arrive in the early 2021. The lack of the power adapter should eventually trickle down to entire Galaxy smartphone series. That should help Samsung price its smartphones more competitively, which is also a very important thing considering Samsung flagship phones prices are going very high with each new model. Another upside for the company that it could boost the sales of its official accessories. After all, despite their higher prices, many consumers still prefers to use the official accessories rather than the third-party ones. But unlike Apple, Samsung may not remove its earbuds from its smartphone boxes, but it's still possible they might do it because Samsung's wireless earphones are not as popular as AirPods, so the company could grab the market by doing so. However, the Galaxy Note 20 series seems safe from the move. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 should cost around $1,200 in the US, and the premium Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, on the other hand, is expected to cost $50 less than $1,500 in the US. And we're gonna see them very soon. So in future, we might see the box as sleek as the phones are. Quite interesting. Okay, so subscribe this channel or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.